Hello guys, in a very exciting news, my favorite AI company Mistral has released Mistral Large model. This model seems really cool. Mistral Large is the new cutting edge text generation model. It reaches top tier reasoning capabilities already. This model is one of the latest and most advanced language model by Mistral to date. Mistral Large is available through the platform, and it is also available through Azure, which is Mistral's first distribution partner. And I'm more than sure that this is going to give a lot of boot to Microsoft Azure Public Cloud. And in my humble opinion, AWS or especially AWS missed out there. Otherwise, it would be great to have this available from AWS Bedrock, AWS SageMaker, and similar services. But anyway, coming back to the Mistral Large, as I said, this is a new cutting edge text generation model. It has already reached top tier reasoning capabilities. It can be used for complex multilingual tasks, including text understanding, transformation, and code generation. Some of the benchmarking stuff is already out. If you look at this picture, you can see that Mistral Large has achieved strong results on commonly used benchmarks, making it the world's second ranked model generally available through an API next to GPT-4. And Mistral Large, according to this diagram, which is primarily a comparison of GPT-4, Mistral Large pre-trained, Claude 2, Gemini Pro 1, GPT 3.5, and Llama 2 70 billion on MMLU. MMLU stands for Measuring Massive Multitask Language Understanding, and I have done few videos around it. Now, Mistral Large comes with new capabilities and strength. It is natively fluent in English, French, Spanish, German, and Italian with a nuanced understanding of grammar and cultural context. It has 32,000 token context window, which allows precise information recall from large documents. Its precise instruction following enables developers to design their moderation policies. They used it to set up the system level moderation of LeChat. It is natively capable of function calling, thus, along with constrained output mode implemented on large platform, enables application development and tech modernization at scale, which is really awesome. Given the history of Mistral AI, it is always safe to believe their results because to date they haven't really missed their benchmarking results, so I'm pretty confident in these results which you can see on your screen. Anyway, now at Mistral their mission is to make frontier AI ubiquitous. This is why they are announcing today that they are bringing their open and commercial models to Azure. Microsoft trust in their model is a step forward in their journey, and so you can use their model by self deployment, which I have done a lot of videos, or through the La platform, which I have requested the access, but I'm still on waiting list, and through Azure. And in Azure, you can go to Azure AI Studio and Azure Machine Learning to play around with it through the APIs. Okay. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they have already compared Mistral Large performance to the top leading LLM models on commonly used benchmarks. If you check it out on the reasoning and knowledge one, Mistral Large has shown powerful reasoning capabilities. In this picture, you can see that they have reported the performance of pre-trained model on standard benchmarks. So, performance on widespread common sense, reasoning, and knowledge benchmarks of the top leading models on the market, which includes MMLU, HelaSwag 10 shot, Vinogrand 5 shot, Arc Challenge 5 shot, Arc Challenge 25 shot, Trivia QA 5 shot, and Truthful QA. And you can see the Mistral Large performance is better than everyone else except GPT-4. So GPT-4 is still the leader, but Mistral Large is catching up pretty fast. Now, it has outstanding multilingual capabilities. Mistral Large has native multilingual capacities. It strongly outperforms Llama 270 billion on HelaSwag, Arc Challenge on and MMLU benchmarks in French, German, Spanish, and Italian, as you can see on your screen. Amazing stuff. When it comes to maths and coding, again the performance is very impressive. Mistral Large shows top performance in coding and maths tasks in the table, which you can see on your screen. Mistral has reported the performance across a suite of popular benchmarks to evaluate the coding and math performance for some of the top leading LLM models. And look at the numbers, they're very, very impressive. Now, alongside with this Mistral Large, they have also released Mistral Small, which is another new optimized model, and that has been optimized for latency and cost. Mistral Small outperforms Mistral 8 into 7 billion as and has a lower latency, which makes it a refined intermediate solution between their open weight offering and flagship models. So this was just a quick overview. In the next one, as soon as I get my hands on it, I'll be doing a local installation video on Mistral Large and we will play around with it in the self-deployment mode. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.